This video demonstrates how to buy shares of Stanley Black Decker Inc. using the query how to buy shares of Stanley Black Decker Inc. as our guide. Stanley Black Decker is a global maker of hand and power tools listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SWK. This is an educational overview only, not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SWK to find Stanley Black Decker. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the company profile and the price chart to confirm this is the correct security. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker reads SWK before continuing. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or executed at next open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order goes through, your position will appear in your portfolio view. A link to the example platform is in the description below. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only.